Hello everyone! In this lesson, we'll learn the mechanical structure and the servo drive system of the positional together. First, let's look at the mechanical structure of the positional. When the industrial robot assembles the phalange to the base, according to the requirements of the assembling process, the base must have a certain inclination angle. So, how to control this angle? The answer is through the positional. Everyone, this is the positional. Its internal structure is shown in the figure. It's mainly composed of servo motor, motor power cable, motor encoder cable, coupling and reducer. Next, please answer this question. Which of the following is not the main component of a positional? A. Servo motor. B. Motor power cable. C. Controller. D. Reducer. I will give you 5 seconds to think and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is C. Did everyone choose the right answer? Okay, let's keep going. The output shaft of the reducer is shown in the figure. Therefore, the entire supporting plate where the material is placed can complete the required flipping angle. As shown in the figure is the state of positional when it rotates by 30 degrees. Next, let's learn the servo drive system of the positional. The industrial robot controls the positional mainly by the communication between PLC and the industrial robot. The PLC receives the positional control instructions from the industrial robot and sends them to the servo driver to control the servo motor and realize the movement of the positional. Meanwhile, the PLC sends the status information of the positional to the relevant variables of the industrial robot and displays the states of the positional in real time on the industrial robot. The servo driver used in the servo motor in positional is Tamagawa servo driver. Tamagawa servo driver is mainly composed of I/O interface, encoder interface, SV-NET 485 interface, USB interface, analog monitor output interface, drive power interface, external resistor interface, rack ground wire and operational panel, as shown in the figure. The servo motor adopts Tamagawa servo motor. The servo drivers U, V, and W are respectively connected to the 3-phase wires of the servo motor, U red, V white, and W black. Connected the feedback signal of servo motor encoder to driver CN2. The encoder resolution is 131072 PR as shown in the figure. Next, please answer this question. in the servo drive system of the positional, which interface of the Tamagawa servo driver is used to connect it the servo motor encoder. A. I/O interface. B. Encoder interface. C. SV-NIT 485 interface. D. USB interface. I will give you 5 seconds to think and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is B. Did everyone choose the right answer? Okay, let's keep going. Communication module CM1241 installed in PLC and the servo driver CN5 are connected by SV-NIT cable. The pin's function is shown in the figure. After the hardware wiring, we will perform the communication between the Siemens PLC and the servo driver. The key here is the servo driver accesses the communication address. Part of the communication address decryption of servo drive TAD 8811 is shown in the table. Next, please answer this question. Among the communication addresses of the servo driver TAD 8811, what is the parameter address used to display the servo status? A. ID 20, B. ID 30, C. ID 32, D. ID 41. I will give you 5 seconds to think and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is A. Did everyone choose the right answer? Okay, let's keep going. In the servo drive TAD 8811, driver parameters can be set for the holding resistor area. In the concept of Modbus communication protocol, the master station can control and detect the driver by assessing the holding register area. For example, assess the address 40021 equal 4001 plus 20. That is, assess registered address 20 corresponding to ID 20 parameters. Assess the address 42003 equal 4001 plus 2002. Assess registered address 2002 corresponding to ID 41 parameter. The read-write addresses of the servo drive in this project are shown in the table. Modbus RTU communication is used between the PLC and the servo driver. Siemens communication mode CM1241 RS422485 needs to be installed on the left side of the PLC. The steps of Siemens communication module configuration are as follows. 1. Select communication module point-to-point CM1241 in the hardware catalog on the right. Select 6ES7241 1CH32 0XB0 for the odd number, and then drag it to the second card slot on the left side on the PLC. 2. Open the Properties interface of the CM1241 module. Set baud rate to 19.2 kbps. Stop bit to 1 and left the other parameters unchanged. Next, please answer this question. What is the communication protocol used between the PLC and the servo drive? A. Profinet. B. Internet IP. C. Modbus RTU. D. CAN Open. I will give you 5 seconds to think and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is C. Did everyone choose the right answer? Okay, let's keep going. Everyone, in this lesson, we've learned the mechanical structure and the servo drive system of the positioner. The positioner is mainly composed of servo motor and other components and communicates with industrial robot through PLC, so as to realize the angle control of the material supporting plate of the positioner. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.